Hey everyone, it's Christine from the Canadian Schoolhouse, and today we're going to make a book. I've got my white sheets in front of me and a colored construction paper for my cover, so we're going to get started. I have a ruler, scissors, pencil, some markers for decorating, and we've got our double-sided tape, and you can also use glue if you prefer. So let's get started. Just gonna move this out of the way. And what you're gonna do is take your first white sheet, fold it in half. You're gonna do the same for all of your other 3 sheets. So now we're going to take our first sheet, we're going to open it up, we're going to take our ruler and measure 5 centimeters from the edge on one side, and then do it the same on the other side. And for this one, we're going to just bend it over the opposite direction. Don't crease it. Just get it lined up so that the center is along the line of the crease that you made earlier. And cut from the center all the way up to the mark that you made. And this will give you a hole in the center of your first page. So for the next 3 pages, we're going to do the same thing with marking 5 centimeters from the edges on both sides of each sheet. But for these ones, we're just going to cut from the edge up until those marks. So let's see, we got that flaps on the edges there, and we're going to do the same with all of the other sheets. Once you've got them done, we're going to open them back up and put them together. Make sure they're nice and straight. Those are all the ones we cut from the edge. And we're going to get our one with the hole in the center, put that at the bottom, and then we're just going to roll up the top 3 sheets with the edge cuts very gently. Don't crease it or press down on it, and we're just going to slip it in to the little hole till you get to the center, and then carefully unroll until all your pages are nice and flat. Just be very careful you don't rip the paper. There you go. And now we have a book, so now we need to put our cover on. So we're going to take that construction paper we had earlier, I'm going to fold it in half. Give it a crease. Now we're going to take our booklet and we're going to line it up so that the edges are even. So the top will be equal to the side and to the bottom. Make sure it's centered. Make sure your book is going to close nicely. And then we're going to put the glue all around. Or if you decided to use double-sided tape like I did, go ahead and put that on. Just taking off my back pieces. Make sure it's straight again, just in case it shifted while we were gluing. And then you're going to press from the center out to make sure it's evenly pasted. We're going to flip it over and do the same for the other side. And again, just make sure you press from the center outwards. And then we got our other side done, and your book is now put together. So now you can go ahead and decorate. I wrote the entire verse of 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 7 in my first page, but you can do whatever you like. You can have fun with it and keep this as a reminder of what love truly is. And I hope you had a great time. Hope you enjoy. Bye for now.